What is up, everyone? It's Jessica. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today, and today's video is going to be an unboxing, but it's not a makeup unboxing, you guys. This is actually my very first ever Advent calendar, and this one's all about candles. Now, this also was, I don't know if I'm gonna, the most expensive box I bought on my channel. This Advent calendar, it's available, I believe, still now on Sephora, but it's $75 and you get 12 days of candles. And then I thought it was only appropriate. So you know how on Sephora you can plug in like a code and you get a free product or something? I really thought it was appropriate to get a free candle. So this one is from Toka, and this is a salt air cucumber. I don't know if I really smell cucumber, but it smells kind of like a beach. I like it. We will not be lighting that there. Alright, so let's get into our actual calendar. Let's get into day one. I have also, oh, they're cute. Oh, I've also never had any Advent calendar. So this one is Santal Vanilla. And I don't know what I'm going to do with all these cute they're like little shot glasses, you guys. It looks like I'll have 12 shot glasses. Should I light them? I don't know. Jessi, what are you doing? Oh yeah, we could just set them all back there. That's what we're going to do. And if you guys are wondering, this little guy right here, that was my very first camera I had for YouTube. He is a Canon snapshot or something. I don't know. I think you're supposed to do one a day. However, we're going to do all 12. We're not going to burn them all. Well, I mean, we are going to light them up. We're going to blow them out after I'm done with the video. But that camera back there, it's got no flip out screen. You can't plug in a microphone to it. Yeah. I know one of the videos for a fact that I did on it was my favorites and fails of like in March. One of my very first videos. So day two, we have, why are these gonna be so hard? Bonjour Liche. Or would it be Liche? Ooh, that's interesting. It's like a pear. Oh, it tells me on the inside. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so our first one, it's got Santal, whatever Santal is. Santal, whatever. But it's French bourbon vanilla and Ode. O-U-D, Ode. And then this one is lychee, cassis, and juicy Asian pear. I like that they tell me what's like, but I can't pronounce them. If anybody has been watching my channel since like the beginning, y'all know that I can't pronunciate anything. Now we get into day number 3. Ooh. I like how it does give you kind of a hint on the outside. Kind of ruins the surprise. I like this one. This one's a pretty color, but this is Japanese plum bloom. Plum bloom. It says plum bloom petals and leaves, ripe plum fruit, and crushed currants. You smell really good. I don't know if it's a bad idea to light all of these. Let me know down in the comments if you think so. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely does help me out here on YouTube because any engagement and all that other fun stuff, yeah, YouTube likes. Although, if I don't get all the engagement and stuff, and then maybe that means that people don't really like me. I like me. That's okay. But the next one in day 4 is Santiago Huckleberry. It is a ripe huckleberry, vanilla, and crushed cane sugar. Oh, I'm sorry, crushed sugar cane. Ooh, you might be my favorite. It's hard to say because there's still 8 more, but I like this one. I like raspberry, like fruity. Yeah. To top it all off, there's 2 other candles back there burning. One's coffee and one's French vanilla. Alright, so now we got day number 5. I'm really happy about this advent calendar. Even though they are tiny, I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger. Like, it's the same size as that little guy up there, but, you know. But this is Goji. Goji Terracotta Orange. So we have goji berry, ripe mango, and terracotta orange. Ooh. I really like the orange in that one. Or maybe that's the goji berry. I don't know what a goji berry smells like. And on to day number 6. Now, I don't think I said this in the beginning, but the brand is VOLUSPA? VOLUSPA. Ooh, ah. I don't know if I might have the white too high, but I jammed my nail right into it because I don't have a reason. But of course, it's the spiced pumpkin latte. And it does smell like a pumpkin spice latte. So we have fresh kombucha pumpkin, coconut cream, and spiced brulee. I don't know what spiced brulee. I know what brulee is. I'm sad that I just shoved my nail into it. And it is really, really soft wax, but I think that's because it's made from coconut wax. Alright, now we're moving into day number 7. Oh, whoops. Got a little wild. Baltic Amber. It's got like a musky, it's amber resin, sandalwood, and vanilla orchard. That was rude. Now hopefully we won't jab our finger into this one. Into day number 8. I keep ripping the whole entire box now. We have Gilt Pomander and Hinoki. Hinoki, huh? I like how they're all just a different glass. I don't even know if they are glass. Are they glass? Yeah, they're glass. But this is a gilded holly berries, cardamom, and Japanese hinoki. Hinoki. I don't like this one. You are not my cup of tea. 12 days of candles. We are on number 9. We have Yashina Gardenia. Jeez. No, you don't want them to break, but damn. Yashika Gardenia, tuberose, and Tuscan clove. What we're going with. I don't know how I feel about you either. You kind of just smell like soap. Yeah, you smell like soap. Of course, the pumpkin spice would be orange. They kind of do have like a little color, in my opinion. I don't know, the red huckleberry whatever was purple. And on to day number 10. We have a French Cade Lavender. Take a guess what I just did. Interesting. So French cadewood, verbena, and Bulgarian lavender. I like it. I like the lavender in you. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh no! The little wick was kind of in the wax, so we have 2 more. Alright, 11. Wow. Ooh, it's pretty. We have white cypress. White cypress, freshly snapped and trimmed. Alright. Why do you smell a little musky? Are you supposed to smell musky? I mean, it's different. I enjoy it. It almost smells like a fresh but musky scent. I blew it out. And last one is number 12. Please, I don't want to shove my finger in you again. There we go. Oh, that's the trick. Found out on last. Oh, we have a spice Goji Terracotta orange. So our last one is a spiced Goji Terracotta orange, and it's got the goji berry, cassia, and terracotta orange. It smells honestly the same as the other Goji Terracotta orange. This one's just spiced. Well, I'm ridiculously happy with my candles. I know they are a little bit tiny. They could have been just a smidgen bigger for $75. Just a smidgen, because like I said, this is the sample one, and actually I think this one might have more candle wax in it. 1.2 ounces. Yep, and 1 ounce. So my freebie has more candle wax than my advent calendar candles. Just saying. I'm just saying. I would like this one too. I got this little guy for free for spending $35 or more, and he has 1.2 ounces. This 12 advent calendar was $75, and you got 12 candles, but that gives your each individual candle $6.25 for a yeah, that's my only issue, that at almost $7 for an itty bitty ounce. Anyways, I had so much fun actually unboxing this advent calendar. I did want to get the Charlotte Tilbury one, but you guys, it's $200. I don't have $200 to spend on an advent calendar. I wish I did. Maybe if I hit the lottery, or I actually get monetized. Who knows? Alright, so I'm going to wrap it up here. You guys, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out tremendously. It tells YouTube to push this video out to other people so I can have new little subscribers to our family over here. And if you haven't already, make sure you do hit that subscription button so you can join our little family where I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!